That's not right. Someone must have spilled salt on these buttons.
We can't have delays like this. We've got to get going.
This is colorful. He's...
Wait a second.
Hey, everybody, it's me, Mickey Mouse.
I like Thomas. I like Thomas.
Get on with it!
I should have to grow wings and be an airplane.
JJ the jet plane.
What I like about Gordon is he gets stuck at the top of a mountain.
Oh, no!
What Percy does, he backs up, backs forward, backs down, backs up, backs forward, backs down.
Get on with it!
Toby got thirsty.
You're not hungry, Meatball. You're thirsty. I'm not thirsty. I'm hungry. You're not hungry. You're thirsty. Drink.
Will you cut that out?
Quack, quack,
Quack, quack, quack, cock-a-doodle-doo.
quack, quack,
Quack, quack, quack, cock-a-doodle-doo.
quack, quack.
Quack-a-doodly-doo.
Thanks, Mama. That was great. What a story. Come on, let's go play.
I just love a good riddle. And a good story, too. Don't you? See you soon. Oh, wait for me!
Yeah.